Hi everyone, Aaron here from Ariens Co. By now, you're pretty well experienced assembling our Ariens zero turns out of their crates. But as we continuously reevaluate and improve our manufacturing processes, we decided to make a change, switching from wood to steel shipping crates. What does this mean for you? The uncrating process is going to be a little different and we'll need to get you up to speed with the crate return. The plus side is that these crates are much easier to dismantle and can be collapsed in considerably less time than the wood crates you're used to. But because these are reusable, you'll need to pay very close attention to the crate return instructions. As we move through this lesson, we'll show you how to collapse the front of the crate so your equipment can be removed, how to fold the crate into a compact, stackable unit, how to prepare your crates for pickup, how to schedule pickup with WMP Crates, the crate supplier, and your other responsibilities in this process. If you already know how to fold these crates and wish to advance to the crate return process, you can jump to the time called out in the left side of the screen. Otherwise, let's begin.
Release the straps from around the caster fork hubs at the front of the unit. Pull the latches to release the straps and pull the straps away from the crate. While these aren't the most heavy-duty ratchet straps, save them because they'll come in handy. We'll tell you why later on in the video. Now that those straps are released, you can untie the bag at the front and the rear of the crate and remove it. At the front of the crate, remove the hairpins and clevis pins from the crate's front side braces and lay the braces out of the mower's path. With this particular crate model, you can lay the side braces inside the crate, but know that this may not be possible with all crate types. The side braces on some of these crates will need to be brought forward and rest on the surface you're working on to be out of the mower's path. Release the ratchet straps from around the unit's frame. Like before, just pull the latches to release tension from the straps and pull the straps away from the unit. You'll also see a pair of strap latches fixed to the crate base and a strap. Pull these latches to release the strap and remove the strap from the unit. This will either be wrapped around the brace between the transaxles or around the transaxles themselves. After all the straps are removed from the unit, remove the clevis pin or pins through the front of the crate base. There may just be one pin or there may be a pin on both sides of the crate. Lift the front of the crate slightly, pull it toward you, and slowly rotate the front of the crate to the floor.
Let's fast forward a bit. Pretend we finished assembling this unit and drove it off the crate. It's now time to fold the crate into a compact, stackable unit and prepare it for pickup.
Disconnect the rear side braces and lay them inside the crate. If the front side braces are outside the crate, fold them inside as well. If they're already inside the crate, they can stay put. Remove the clevis pin or pins through the rear of the crate base. Like at the front, there may be just one pin or there may be two, so check both sides. Then lift the end of the crate and slowly rotate it onto the crate base. When you're finished, reinstall the clevis pin or pins through the crate base. Finally, rotate the front of the crate onto its base and reinstall the clevis pin or pins that were removed earlier.
Now that crate is in a stackable configuration, let's go through the return process. Before starting, know that crates must be clean and free of debris, that a minimum of 6 crates must be requested for pickup consideration, and that crates are to be bundled in stacks no greater than 6 high, starting with the largest crate at the bottom if returning varying crate types. Additionally, crate bundles must be secured to each other so they don't shift in transit. We suggest using the ratchet straps that came with the unit to secure the crate bundles. And finally, all pickup requests must be scheduled through the WMP Crates return portal. Crates must be returned to WMP within 12 months from the time they arrived at your location. So yes, you have a full year before crates need to be returned, but know that crates not returned within this time frame will incur a late fee of $3 per month per crate. If your store is low volume and won't accumulate the 6 crate minimum for a pickup within that time frame, you'll need to consolidate your crates with another location that has a relationship with WMP. In those cases, you'll need to contact the WMP customer support team to communicate the transfer and provide them with two very critical pieces of information. First, the serial numbers of the crates you're transferring to another location. These numbers are located on the side of the crates. Second, the name of that location you're consolidating with. This relieves you of possession liability and transfers it to the location you consolidated with. From that point forward, it's that location's responsibility to schedule pickup. However, it's your responsibility to get those crates to the transfer location. Make sense? Let's move forward and show you how to schedule that pickup. To schedule your crate pickup, log into the WMP Crates return portal at portal.wmpcrates.com/login with your store's username and password and confirm your location's address. If your store's information needs updating or if you need to establish a portal login, contact WMP Crates at 844-880-9672 or customer service at wmpcrates.com. Now, on to the pickup request.
Within the Crate Request portal, click the Pickup Request tab, then the Create New Pickup Request button. When the prompt opens, select the crate type you're returning, which is the letter followed by the two numbers listed on the side of the crate. Enter the quantity of that crate type, then click the Add button. Repeat that process for each unique crate type. After all crates have been entered, click Submit. A confirmation screen will appear for you to validate and to select your loading options. Enter any additional comments and click Confirm. Finally, acknowledge that the crates are empty, stacked, and secured, then click Confirm once more. After your request is confirmed, you'll be provided with the pickup request number, and a record of the request will appear in the Pickup Request tab.
When your pickup request is approved, WMP Crates dispatches a third-party logistics provider to complete the pickup. You can view the status of your request within the Pickup Requests tab on the portal, but you'll also receive a bill of lading from WMP Crates after pickup is scheduled. This will be delivered to the email inbox associated with your profile, so remember to check your spam or junk folder because you will need to provide this bill of lading to the driver when they arrive for your crates. The crates will need to be stacked, secured, and prepared when the driver arrives at your location, and it will be your responsibility to load the crates onto the transportation vehicle. The pickup driver's responsibility is limited to accepting the bill of lading. That just about does it, but let's finish up with a couple quick but important reminders of the return process. A minimum of 6 crates are required for your pickup request to be considered. All pickup requests are to be completed through the WMP Crates return portal. It's your responsibility to stack, secure, and load the crates for the pickup driver. Crates may not be stacked more than 6 high, and the largest crate must be at the bottom if you're returning varying crate types. If the carrier cannot complete the pickup due to improperly stacked crates or because of an invalid bill of lading, an attempted pickup charge will be applied to your account. Finally, any lost or damaged crates will result in a charge back to your store. Still return any damaged crates, but understand this will incur a charge. That pretty much covers it, but if you have questions regarding this material, you can reach out to WMP Crates directly at 844-880-9672 or at customer service at wmpcrates.com. That's all for me today, but until next time, thank you for your continued partnership and happy selling.